Hello friends, welcome to Maths Concepts. In this video we are going to learn about whole numbers. What are whole numbers? Whole numbers is the set of numbers that includes natural numbers and zero. Now what are natural numbers? We have already learned it in class 5, but let's revise it. Natural numbers are all numbers greater than 0. That is all numbers greater than 0, that is starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are natural numbers. So if you add 0 to this set, it becomes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So this is how we represent whole numbers in the form of set. Okay, whole numbers can also be represented on the number line, and it is like this. So if you observe, one end of this number line is fixed while other end has an arrow to it, which means we can extend the number line towards right, but we cannot extend number line towards left. This is the end point of number line, which also means that 0 is the smallest and first whole number. Okay, the next topic is successor and predecessor of whole number. This is pretty simple topic and we already have learnt about it in earlier classes. Successor is the next number and predecessor is the previous number of any particular number. That is, when we add 1 to the number, we get successor of that number, and when we subtract 1 from the number, we get predecessor of that number. So example of successor would be successor of 18,999. we just add 1 to it and we get 18,01,000 as successor. Okay, similarly example for predecessor of the number, predecessor of same number 18,999 would be 18,998. I have just subtracted 1 from the number. Remember, on the number line, successor of a number would be to the right of that number and predecessor of the number would be to the left of that number. Now 0 does not have predecessor as whole numbers start from 0. We just saw the number line for whole numbers and we saw that the number line cannot be extended towards left. There is no number before 0 and hence 0 does not have predecessor in whole numbers. Next, let's see addition of whole numbers. So when we add two whole numbers, we always move towards right on the number line. How? Let's see one example. 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Here I'll take 3 on the number line and I'll move 4 places to the right, which will give me 7 as answer. Now it is important to understand this concept and remember it that we move towards right on the number line when we add two whole numbers. This is going to be useful for us to understand the closure property of whole numbers, which we will study in our next video. Now let's see subtraction of whole numbers. When we subtract one whole number from another, we always move towards left on the number line. Now you know that addition is opposite of subtraction, that is subtraction is opposite of addition. For addition we move towards right on the number line, for subtraction we will be moving towards left on the number line. Let's see one example. 7 minus 4 equal to 3. So here I'll take 7 on the number line and I'll move 3 places to the left, which will 4 places to the left, which will give me 3 as answer. Now next one is multiplication of whole numbers. We know that multiplication is repetitive addition. So for addition we move towards right on the number line. For multiplication as well we will move towards right. Example is 2 into 3 equal to 6. So here I'll be moving from 0, I'll be moving 2 places to the right 3 times. 2 places to the right 3 times, which will give me 6 as answer. Okay, so this was all about doing addition, subtraction, multiplication on number line. Now let's see what is additive identity of whole numbers. When we add 0 to any whole number, we always get that whole number as answer, right? So hence 0 is called additive identity of whole numbers. Examples are given. 29 plus 0 is 29, 64 plus 0 is 64, 0 plus 7 is 7, 0 plus 56 is 56, which means 0 plus any whole number is same as that whole number. Answer is same as whole number. Okay, now next one is multiplicative identity. For additive identity we saw that when we add 0 to the whole number we get the same whole number. Here we want a number which we can multiply with the whole number, and we should get that whole number as answer. Can you think of any number? Yes, that's right, 1. If we multiply a whole number with 1, we get same whole number as answer, and that's why 1 is called multiplicative identity of whole numbers. Examples are 29 into 1 equal to 29, 64 into 1 equal to 64, 1 into 7 equal to 7, 1 into 56 equal to 56, 1 into any whole number equal to that whole number. Okay, so this was about fundamentals of whole numbers, all basics about whole numbers. Let's solve few conceptual problems for whole numbers. State true or false. Every natural number is successor of a whole number. Is this true or false? It is true. Why? Let's see. This is how I draw natural numbers on number line. It starts with 1, and this is number line for whole numbers. Okay, so is 1 successor of any whole number? Yes, it is successor of 0. 2 is successor of 1, 3 is successor of 2, 4 is successor of 3, 5 is successor of 4. So this way every natural number is successor of a whole number. Okay, next one is every whole number has a predecessor. Is this true or false? It is false. Why? Because just now we saw that 0 does not have a predecessor. 0 is there in the whole numbers, but 0 does not have any predecessor. There is no number before 0 in whole numbers. That's why every whole number does not have a predecessor. It is a false statement. Every whole number has a predecessor is a false statement. Okay, every whole number has a successor. Is that true or false? It is true, because each whole number, 0 has a successor, 1 has a successor, 2 has a successor. Every whole number has a successor. We can extend this number line up to any number. Fourth question is sum of two whole numbers is always less than their product. Is this true or false? It is false. Let's take one example. Say 9 plus 1, which gives me 10, and 9 into 1, this gives me 9. So here product of 9 and 1 is less than sum of 9 and 1. That's why sum of two whole numbers is not always less than product. Okay, all right, so this was all about whole numbers. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.